they going so fast behind me? Oh, okay. The driver's license on you? Okay. You got an ID or anything? Alright. You got insurance on the car? So it's the registration. Alright, give me 1 second, alright? Write your first and last name and your date of birth. Coming back from? Oh, okay. This her car? Okay. All right. Do you have anybody close to you? Do you have anything in the car? All right. Come on. I got one taken off.
Did you say
248 eastbound. It's passing on the shoulder. TV today.
If we paying you, let's talk to us and keep us updated where you at.
248, 249 westbound, eastbound. He's trying to run. TVI. Fort City, he's heading towards 70. How don't patent up on it. Get in. You need medical. I already called. Okay. I don't hear y'all's traffic, so I was just checking.
241, 40.
Hey, it's all right. I was trying to get him out the car. License was revoked. And I asked him to step out for it. He searched the car. They towed it. They gave him a citation and he go by his way, but he did this, so. Well, might be a little more too. Yeah, I saw a bag in there. I'm trying to see.